That's the excitement we have today. It's Thursday.
He's thirsty.
Thirsty Thursday. Okay, I had to check if this was actually true. I am on the BC Center for Disease Control, BC CDC. Just wondering about, COVID-19 and sex. Don't ask too many questions, but they have a lovely picture. And if you're feeling fine and you have no symptoms of COVID-19, you can still have sex. These are good things. But hang on. I feel like a 12-year-old.
You are. I feel like I'm 8.
Where was that? So it's okay if you're feeling well and you have no symptoms of COVID-19, you can have sex. Masturbating, you are your safest sex partner. This is good to know. We'll call that solo sex. You can have virtual sex, where you pretend to have sex, or you can have sex with partners, having one or a few. Now I know I'm more of a traditionalist that way, but here's the best part. So steps to protect yourself. This is real, and this, someone may get something out of this. Ask your partners if they're feeling well. Wash your body with soap and water. Wear a face covering or a mask. Heavy breathing can create droplets. And choose positions that limit face-to-face contact and use barriers and walls like... The best part of this, I know I'm acting like I'm 12 years old, but the best part is somebody had to type this in. And I bet you never in a million years did they think they would be typing those words into a government website. There you go. Feel free. Have sex. Be safe. Be like those guys. Okay, let's move on. Waiting for Sue to finish work. I was just thinking, and I mentioned this before, but my poor dad, he would be Googling glory holes right now, trying to figure out what that is. I don't think you'd understand.
No.
I am 12. Okay, moving on from that. Do you want to go for sex? I mean... I meant dinner.
I'd love to go out for sex. I meant dinner.
Well, it's after 4 o'clock and Sue's still working. I'm lying on the couch. Sorry, what'd you just say?
I'm done working. It's a happy hour.
She said, 'cause it's happy hour. We could all be happy for an hour. Are we going to the old glory hole?
Oh my god.
I meant watering hole. Hit the log out button.
I will. I just have to back this up because I don't want to lose it.
I'm going to swing the gavel.
Ow.
Sort of.